spinning and the lights. This is where I need to position the camera at 9 p.m. to see Mars. The moon is quite close to the actual one. So if I turn off the background, you can see the moon is there. The moon in the apps is there. And if I turn on the background, it's just behind the moon. See? The moon in the app is just behind the moon in the sky. Hello, I'm bringing you back to March 24th, the first time I see Venus in sky. Occultation is where the moon is actually blocking the planet Venus. This is what I saw in my previous video, which I recorded and shown to you, where Venus is seen as a bright star just behind or next to the moon. But you can also view Venus every night if you know when, using Sky Tonight. This is the Venus. It's a bright yellowish object, 6,000 kilometers in radius, which is really large and very bright in space. You can see this object every night and can be mistaken as a star. We go back to the calendar, March 28, look at the word in conjunction. Mars is moving in parallel to Moon, which is what we call in conjunction, in parallel orbital path in this particular time in space. Go to Mars. Mars radius is around 3,000 kilometers, which is a bit half the size of Venus. And what you will see through my lens is that Mars is a very dim object. As it says here, it can be viewed from Earth with the naked eyes, but through what I've seen on March 28, it is quite impossible. Mars is a reddish object. It is not able to reflect the light very well. That is why it is so dim at night, even though the sky is so clear. And it's so impossible that the naked eyes can be able to view it. And I am able to capture Mars, a very dim object in space. This is what you are looking at in this video.